Hello and welcome you all. I am Dhananjay Patil, lecturer Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Chanduri, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about role of pharmacist in healthcare system. So, who is a pharmacist? In general, pharmacist, also known as chemist or druggist, are healthcare professionals who practice in pharmacy. The field of health sciences focuses on safe and effective medicine use. Apart from this, pharmacist is the one who deals with all the fields related to medicine, from cultivation of medicinal plant, extraction, synthesis, clinical and non-clinical experiments, dispensing, monitoring, pharmacovigilance. Role of pharmacist in healthcare system. So we have community pharmacy or community pharmacist, clinical pharmacy, then hospital pharmacy, industrial pharmacy, academic pharmacy, regulatory pharmacy, research and development, herbal pharmacy, and many more. So basically, community pharmacy is related to directly to the patient, to monitoring patients, to guiding them about therapy. It's called as community pharmacy. Clinical pharmacy is mainly related to uh, the trials, the clinical trials. Okay, hospital pharmacy is the basically who the pharmacist who working in hospital. And then industrial pharmacy, then academic pharmacy, which is lecturer and professors. Okay, community pharmacy, frontline of healthcare, bridge between general physician, nurse, other healthcare professional, and public. Work from pharmacies with the responsibility of dispensing and distributing medicine in supermarket, pharmacy shops, healthcare center, checking doses and ensuring that medicines are correctly and safely supplied and labeled. Counseling and advising the public on the treatment of minor ailments, monitoring blood pressure and cholesterol level, offering a diabetes screening service, family planning, alcohol withdrawal, lifestyle and nutrition habits. Hospital pharmacy. Work in larger hospital and institutional pharmacies frequently interact with prescriber and doctor, maintain a medical record, influence the selection of drugs, drugs and dosage regimen, monitor patient compliance and therapeutic response to drug, and recognize and report adverse drug reaction. Serve as member of policy making committee, including those concerned with drug selection, the use of antibiotics and hospital inspection, drug and therapeutic committee, and hereby influences the preparation and composition of an essential drug list or formulary. Educate other health professionals about the rational use of drug, participates in studies to determine the beneficial or adverse effect of drug, and is involved in analysis of drug in body fluids, procurement and inventory management of drug, planning and implementation of clinical trials. Academic pharmacy, research and academic go hand in hand. A well-skilled manpower produced from good institutes and good researcher produces the skilled pharmacist to fulfill the future demand of the market. Academician gives proper education and ethical knowledge in pharmaceutical practices. Herbal pharmacy. Current trend is shifting towards herbal medicine. About $6 billion global market. Identification of herbal product for the particular disease. Reference Ayurveda, Chinese medicine, medical system, Babylonian medicine, Unani and Siddha medicine. Cultivation, harvesting, extraction and purification of active ingredient. Formulation in dosage form. Research in phytochemistry. Medicinal chemistry. Medicinal chemists are focused on drug discovery and development and are concerned with the isolation medicinal agent found in plants as well as the creation of new synthetic drug compounds. Theoretical chemistry, structure, activity, relationship. Phytochemistry, computer-aided drug design, synthesis, purification, identification and analysis are the most common areas or focus areas of medicinal chemistry. Then research and development. Research in chemistry, pharmacology, toxicology, microbiologist and biopharmacist. Non-clinical and clinical research, new drug application, generic medicine development, patient compliance. Industrial pharmacy basically work in formulation development, manufacture, quality control and quality assurance, drug information, patient application and drug registration, regulatory affairs, sales and marketing, management. Regulatory pharmacy, health and drug policy, management, administration, educational policy, then drug regulatory and enforcement agency, professional registration authorities, international agencies and professional bodies. Others are pharmacy marketing, drug information pharmacist, nuclear pharmacist, pharmacist clinical toxicologist, veterinary pharmacist, intellectual property rights. Thank you so much.